The first answer that's wrong, it says the new equation found after dividing both sides of the equation by a, and you had already identified a as to be 2. So you want to take this original equation and you want to divide everything by 2, every term on both sides. So that leaves you x squared plus 3 halves x plus 3 equals 0. And you had, for this term, x squared over 2. I'm not sure if you lost this 2 or what. But this, for the first wrong answer, it should be this line here. All right. Now, for the second one that's wrong, all your answers are not wrong. The next block, it says x squared plus 3 halves x equal negative 3. That's right. And then 9/16. Now rewrite, and then it says rewrite the equation by adding the number obtained in the previous step to both sides of the equation. The new equation becomes, let me see, you answered x plus 3/4 squared equal negative 39 over 16. And that is the same thing as if you square x plus 3/4 times x plus 3/4, you get x times x is x squared. X times 3/4 is 3/4 x. And then 3/4 times x is 3/4 x. And then 3/4 times 3/4 is 9/16 equals negative 39 over 16. So x squared plus, add these like terms, and you get 6/4 x plus 9/16 equals negative 39 over 16. And then reduce the second term, that's x squared plus 3 halves x plus 9/16 equals negative 39 over 16. And I think you are in, I'll have to go back and look at your problem and see, but I'll give you credit for this last one since it is equivalent.